Guys, you have to put chicken. Ginger. Carrots. Saute the carrots. And potato with black pepper. Dried garlic and onion. And this is the chicken. I use tomato sauce. There you go. And then we can put 1.5 water. There you go. Water. And of course, you can put chicken bouillon powder. So just like this. Caldo chicken bouillon. I like chicken bouillon. That's my favorite. And just spread it. And then cover it and boil it. Maybe cook it 20 minutes. So this is potato. Yummy. Yum yum. Saute ko lang sa olive oil or cooking oil until it's brown. That's it. Brown potato, sliced potato, and carrots. Yeah. And then black pepper. And then just white one is dried garlic and onions. So pwede rin yung fresh. Ayan, fresh onion or fresh garlic, it's okay. Okay. So while the chicken is boiling, let it boil and cook 20 minutes. There you go. And then leave it maybe 20 minutes and then cover it. Yeah, it's cooking.
Spring home is more.
And then we can put the tomato sauce then. Yeah. Yan, sarap-sarap na. Wow. Yummy, 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 yummy. And then just put some pineapple. Pineapple. Then pineapple juice. Yummy, yummy. And then just let it cook again. Then this is my version. It's I don't know, chicken caldereta, my version. Yeah. How I will cook a caldereta. Chicken caldereta. And then just put a little bit of sugar. Sugar, yan siya. Yan, sugar. Sugar para sumarap ng konti. And then, white sugar. That's my white sugar. 1 spoon of white sugar. And then, let's that's it. There you go. Then, ayan. Sarap na, no? Mega love shout out sa lahat-lahat ng atin ng aking premiere ngayon. Pasensya na guys. United OFW Charity, thank you so much sa lahat-lahat ng members. Sir Deo Lakay, Cecily Wayway, lahat-lahat ng members, United OFW Charity. Tropang Gala, thank you so much. All Tropang Gala members, family, Sir Jigs. And then, Team Alright, thank you so much, Team Alright. Lahat-lahat ng members, Sir Dan. And then, Sagip Squad, thank you so much. Sagip Squad, thank you. Batcha, Team Batcha, thank you so much. Lahat-lahat ng member ng Team Batya, nag-support din sa akin yan. And then, Yahoo Squad, Sir Artisan Art, thank you so much. Team Batya, andyan yan si Sir Opo Yoyo, andyan. And then, Mama Joy, thank you so much sa lahat-lahat ng Team Batya. And then, the family B or 3? I think it's B. Family B. BOS. Ayan. Lahat-lahat ng members. And then, nandyan yan si Sir Paul Donisa, Sir Danilo Pascual. Ayan yan. Lahat-lahat nandyan. Thank you so much. Arubanoli, thank you. Edgar Sky, thank you so much. Mr. Lee, thank you so much. Braveheart, Lucas Braveheart, thank you. Joseph Field, Texas, thank you. Lahat-lahat na kayo. Sir Tolitz Guapo, thank you so much. And then, Biyahe ni Dad, thank you. Lahat-lahat. Chano Mix Vlog, thank you. Kalikot, thank you so much. Sino pa? Lahat-lahat na nang nagsusupport sa akin. John Ray Cabia, thank you so much. Kapatid sa John Ray. Noli Ramos, thank you so much. Sisi Guapa, Noli Ramos, Kabutoy, thank you so much. And then, ayan. Habang ito'y kumukulo-kulo, tayo ay magsha-shoutout. Mega love shoutout po sa mga sumusupport sa akin. And then, ayan, kayo ng lahat-lahat dyan. Chano Mix Vlog, Kulikot, thank you. Keep it up. TLS, Tunog Latas sa Kalam. Lahat-lahat na ng members. Ripa Pips, sa Ripa Pips World, thank you so much. Lahat ng members ng Ripa Pips. Ayan. And then, sino pa? Team, ayan, lahat ng team, thank you so much. Natin ng konting asukal. Okay. Recipe. Okay. I'll be there, baby girl. Ayan, ang sarap-sarap. Hi, and then Team Bingo Warriors. Thank you so much, sir. Lahat-lahat po ng members. Team Bingo Warriors. Ayan. And then, ito na, ilolonod na natin itong siya. Para masarap na siya. Ayan. Para lumapot ang kanyang sauce. Ito is sa akin, itong version caldereta. So, linagyan ko siya ng pinya. Ayan. May pa sana siya, peas. Pero, wag na. Sobra na, marami na siyang sabaw. Ayan. Lagyan na natin lahat. Ayan. And then you have to mix it. Mix it lang siya. Mix. And then, tikman natin ang timpla kung masarap na siya. Leave it mga 10 minutes. Sarap. Wow. Sarap na. Okay, tingnan ulit natin kung luto na siya. Okay. Wow. Okay guys, thank you so much. Thank you sa nanood ko ng aking premiere ngayon. This is caldereta, my version. Lagyan ko sana siya ng green peas. Pero, okay na yan. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Love you all. Bye-bye.